Hey you guys, it's Elsie. Welcome to my channel. If this is your first time at one of my videos, then welcome. If you are returning, then welcome back, fam. I know I have been gone for a cool minute, and I'm sorry. I've been having some serious technical and computer issues, and it has not been fun, but we're not going to dwell. I'm back. I'm here with some videos now. Because I was gone for so long, some of the videos I'm going to be putting out within the next month is going to be some old content mixed with some new content, just because I didn't want to waste this footage, and I just felt like I should still put my videos out there because I took time to make them, right? So thank you for supporting. I will put the timestamp on this video as to how far along my locks were at this point, but I wanted to do a quick, easy, cute style because I was going to go to this little evening social distance backyard thing with my friends, and I needed to get my hair together because it was looking kind of crazy. So I just hopped out the shower, I put some moisturizer on, and now you guys can see I'm moisturizing my scalp. My hair is, I know it looks like it's soaking wet, but it's actually not soaking wet. I just let the mist and a little bit of the water kind of hit it as I was showering, but I did not directly submerge my hair under the water. So for the most part, my locks are pretty much dry. It's just a little damp, and I kind of wanted it that way because it would be easier for my hair to dry by the time I was going to go out tonight. So yeah, I'm just oiling my scalp. I'm taking a look at my locks, making sure everything looks healthy and good to go, and making sure I didn't miss any spots with my oil, because you want to make sure that you're keeping that scalp and that hair moisturized. And then I'm just going to go on and start popping my roots. So if you have starter locks or, teenage locks, whatever that time frame is, and unless you are retwisting every 2 to 3 weeks, which you should not be doing. That's way too frequent. In my opinion, that's way too frequent to be retwisting your hair. But if you're like me and you retwist every 5, 6, 7, 8+ weeks, it's very likely that your roots can start to marry, especially if your locks are not super mature and formed. But even if they are mature, if you extend that time of when you are retwisting your hair, it can cause your roots to marry, and that's how free-forming starts. So to prevent that from happening, it's really important that when your hair is either wet or damp, you go in and you kind of pop them. And you can see I'm just taking 2 of them, and I'll just pull them in separate directions and just pop it. It's not painful, it doesn't hurt, but it is necessary to just help maintain your roots so that you don't lose all your parts and your locks are not all getting stuck to one another. So quick little tip, but let's get back to the video. So I decided I was going to go with a middle part. If you guys watch my install video when I put my locks in myself, you'll know that I did give myself a middle part on purpose because I just love wearing my hair in the middle part. I will put the link to that video below if you do want to watch it, but I put majority of my hair back into a low ponytail and then left out about 4 or 5 locks from each side. And you guys can see I'm doing a very bootleg, not real retwist. I'm not adding a lot of tension, a lot of pressure. I'm not putting much effort into this at all. I'm literally just wrapping it around one time and then just tucking it behind my ear. Not a whole lot of care. So this is not a real retwist. It's not tight. It's not going to last for very long, but it will just help your style look fresh, and it will look as if you maybe just got a new retwist, and your hair is not looking as crazy as it might be. So once I went ahead and finished it one side, I went to the other side and I just did the same thing. Because the image is reversed, it looks like I'm twisting it clockwise, but I promise you guys I'm twisting it counterclockwise. So now I'm all done. I'm just going to fix my ponytail because I want it to be laid a little bit more flat. So I'm just taking my time to lay down all the locks so that they're laying closer to my head and flatter to my head. And then that way I can put the scrunchie back on. I love this scrunchie. It's super low tension. It makes it really easy to put my hair in a ponytail. So I'll try to link the description. I'll try to link the link to this ponytail in the description below. But once I went ahead and I did that, I just went ahead and decided to finish up my makeup a little bit. So I did put 2 clips on the front of my hair. Just to hold down that quick little quote-unquote retwist, and now I'm just gelling my edges very lightly. I'm just putting a little bit of gel on my edges and then taking my little edge brush and doing some quick little swoops. So we don't need to spend too much time on that. I'll just fast forward that real quick. And then As that happened, I did grab my do-rag so that I can tie my hair down as I put a little bit of makeup on. As some of you guys may know, I'm not really makeup heavy, so I don't wear any type of foundation, or I'm not really heavy on concealer or anything like that. But I like to do a nice little lip, a nice little eyebrow here and there. So I put my do-rag on, and then I just went ahead and did my makeup. So for me to do my makeup and for me to get dressed probably took like 20 minutes or so. So that was enough time for my hair to kind of dry. Remind you, it wasn't super wet, but this is the final look. I'm just taking off the do-rag, and I'm going to take these clips off. You can see that the do-rag really helped lay those back locks down. So it almost looks like I don't have locks in the back, honestly, just because it had been so long since I got a retwist. But I thought that this looked really, really cute. I just put on a nice little earring, and then I did tuck in the hairs in the back of my ponytail to kind of make it look like a bun. I'll show you guys a view of the back in a little bit, but any locks that I felt like I had too many on each side, I just went in and just tucked it into the ponytail so that it could just look kind of symmetrical. But this is the final look. And as you guys can see, there was a few locks that were kind of hanging out of my little bun. I tried to tuck them in, but they didn't really want to stay, so I was over it, and I thought it looked kind of cute. I didn't really care, so I left it out. I feel like this style came out really cute. It took me all of like maybe 10 minutes to actually do the style, and then another 10 to 15 minutes for it to dry. But really easy style, so if you have starter locks or teenage locks, I highly recommend this style. I wanted to give you guys a quick little view of my full outfit. See, I just threw on a nice little white sweat with a cute little pink sweater, and I tied it in the front, and yeah, that was the final look. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure that you are subscribed if you're not already subscribed, and make sure that you like this video if you enjoyed this content and you want more of it. But I will see you guys very soon with more videos. Bye.